So you're probably wondering what standard form and factor form is. Well, standard form is a x squared plus bx plus c. And factored form is x minus r1 times x minus r2. And from this square root square symbol, you're able to tell that we're going to be dealing with quadratics. And for the factored form, you might be wondering what r symbolizes. And r symbolizes the roots, the 0, the x-intercept, and the area which the parabola intersects with the x-axis. In this example, we'll be using the tic-tac-toe method to transfer this equation from standard form into factored form. So, as you can see here, I've filled in this first square, with the value of a, which is 1. I filled in the second square with the value of c, which is 18. Then you must multiply them together, and you get your answer, 18. Now, when multiplying from bottom to top, in this certain column, you must multiply two numbers which then equal 18, which 1 times 18 is equivalent to 18, 2 times 9 is equivalent to 18, 3 times 6 is equivalent to 18. Now the tricky part of determining which one of these is the correct one is when adding the two numbers, it must equal 9. So for example, is 1 plus 18 9? No, it's 19. Is 2 plus 9 9? Nope, it's 11. Is 3 plus 6 9? Correct. So then you know that you must use the 3 plus 6. Now the rest is simply just multiplying. So 1 times 6 is equal to 6, 1 times 3 is equal to 3, 3 times 6 is equal to 18, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now when arranging it, you must use always, for your first pair, you must use this box right here and this box right here. So this first number goes right here as in 1x, and the second number goes in right here as 3. So you're basically just plugging. And for your second pair, you use these two numbers, which 1 goes here, 6 goes here. It is very important to start with always this column's number, because if you do 3x plus 1, that will give you something wrong. It is 1x plus 3. I would like you to pause the video and take some time to do these 3 questions, and then I will give you the answers. Well, hopefully you paused it, but here are the answers. Our second example, we will be moving from factored form into standard form. And the way we do that is by using FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. So, first what we do is multiply the first terms, x times x. Then you multiply the outer terms, x times 2. Then you multiply the inner terms, 7 times x. Then you multiply the last terms, which is 7 times 2. As you can see here, x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, x times 7 is 7x, 7 times 2 is 14. The thing that most people get wrong is they forget to combine these like terms. So when combining them, you get 9x. So you would get 1x squared plus 9x plus 14. Thus, representing it in standard form. 1 being A, 9 being B, 14 being C. Some time to pause the video and do these problems, and they are quite similar to the ones we did in the past example, so hopefully you'll get them correct. So hopefully you got the correct answers, and if you didn't, go back and check your work until you get these correct answers.